Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Frost in Warframe. Frost is a defensive Warframe that is very useful for missions like defense and excavation. To begin, open the navigation menu and go to Ceres. From here, go to Exta and make sure you have it unlocked. As you can see, I have not unlocked Exta yet, but just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. In this mission, you will fight Lieutenant Lech Kril and Captain Vor. Focus on Captain Vor first and defeat him. After that, wait for Lieutenant Lech Kril to slam his hammer down. When he does, the weak point on his back will open up. Shoot this weak spot multiple times. After taking enough damage, Lech Kril will catch on fire. At that point, you can finish him off, and once both bosses are defeated, extract from the mission. Each time you complete this mission, you will receive one of Frost's parts. Repeat the Exta mission on Ceres until you collect the chassis, neuroptics, and systems. You can also obtain valuable weapon parts from this mission. After collecting all Frost parts, open the market and search for Frost. Purchase his main blueprint for 25,000 credits. After buying the main blueprint, go to your foundry and craft the components, then build Frost, and that sets it. You've learned how to get Frost by farming Lieutenant Lech Kril and Captain Vorj on Exta and purchasing Frost's main blueprint from the market. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.